Good morning, everyone. This is Julie Snyder with the Coffee Group Fine Homes International with Keller Williams. And today I am coming to you from a super new listing that we have coming. It's 2112 57th in Bradenton, or still currently known as Morgan Johnson Road East. And this home is on the Braden River, and it is 11 acres of beautiful old Florida. I'm just going to spin you around here so you can take a look at the home. And it's 2,700 square feet, metal roof, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1 half bath, and again on 11 acres of beautiful old Florida waterfront property. So we're going to take a walk down here and check out this dock. You can do plenty of fishing from here. You can have your boat here, jet skis, kayaks, paddleboard, lots of nature. And this will just take you around to the back side of the house and take a look at the dock. And I'll just spin you around. And here's a different view of the property. Now this listing is going to have a couple different options to it. Of course, it is a beautiful home, but it is a property that can also be developed. Like I said, we have 11 acres and beautiful waterfront. So if you're interested in this listing or any other listings on the water or not on the water, feel free to give me a call at 941-232-9478. or check out our website at brandycoffee.com. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day.